Hello, this is Mary with My Beautiful Mess. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a Happy Planner Squad Life themed advent calendar. So if you've been following, I've been doing lots of different kinds of ornaments and Christmas crafts using Happy Planner materials, and today I'm going to do the exact same thing. Today I'm doing an advent calendar. So if you're unfamiliar with what an advent calendar is, it's basically a way to count down the days to Christmas from December 1st to December 25th. And traditionally, advent calendars come in all different kinds, but traditionally it's like a little box with some drawers, and each drawer represents a day. Traditionally you would basically put in like treats or like candy or toys, little things like that for whoever moves the day forward, you know, because it's we're doing a countdown. In my family, we do not put toys and things like that in it. We actually put experiences. So this almost becomes kind of like a bucket list for us, like a Christmas bucket list. Inside we put different experiences. Maybe one night it's having hot chocolate, and another night it's watching Home Alone, and another night it's baking cookies, and you know, and so on and so on. So every night we do something Christmas related as a family, and that's a really fun thing to do. So if you're looking for ideas and that's something you want to do, you want to put experiences instead of chocolates and treats and stuff like that, I will leave a link to my blog, which has like 75 different experiences that you can put in here. So it comes with a free printable. You can print it out and just cut up the slips of paper, put them inside, and that makes it really, really easy to do. So I imagine that this craft is actually going to take me several hours to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of walk through what I'm using to do the craft with, and then I'm going to kind of speed up the video. And I don't even know that I'm going to film all of it because it's going to be really repetitive. So here's the things I think that you'll need. So you'll need this advent calendar shell. It's just kind of a blank calendar to work with. We're gonna end up covering like at least the sides and stuff and finishing it off. I bought this, it says $15.99, but I bought it at Hobby Lobby, and y'all know Christmas stuff, it's like 50% off almost all the time during the season. So I paid half that. And then I think you're also going to need a cutting mat. I know like my cutting mat is like, it's seen better days, but this is like, it's well loved. Okay, so just pardon the mess on it. I think you'll need an X-Acto knife, probably some scissors. I'm gonna put some washi tape, and I'm actually going to use rose gold because the stickers that we're using kind of have some peachy tones with mint mixed in. So I'm going to use, these are just like Recollections washi tape, and I like that this one kind of looks like snow. So I'm going to add some washi tape to mine as well. You're going to need some, excuse me, some letters. I'm sorry, not letters, numbers, because each one of these is going to have a day. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 25. So you're going to need lots and lots of numbers. You may have to like get several packs. You can choose to use thickers, which are basically like foam stickers and numbers, but I will tell you that they're kind of pricey. They're like $4 a pack. So, and you're gonna need a few packs because you're gonna need a lot of ones and a lot of twos. So you may not decide to go that route, although I think that kind of actually looks the best because the number pops, because they have some dimension and it adds some interest to your box. But you don't have to. You can use like just flat number stickers. I have some different colored cardstock, and we're going to basically use this cardstock. This is like the only color that I had that was like even remotely close to. I had some other mint cardstock, but it just wasn't even, it was like way too bright for the stickers that we're gonna be using. So I had some old card making material that kind of matches it really well. You can kind of see here, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. So we're gonna use this palette here, and this is the Squad Life sticker book. If you followed me on one of my other videos, we used these stickers to make an ornament. It's like a globe ornament. And then I have some just peachy cardstock and some white cardstock. And we're gonna basically use this to cover up all the the Kraft cardstock that's on here, so that we don't really see it, and we just see these pretty colors instead. And then I think you're going to probably need some foam tape. This just adds some dimension. So if you want some elements that are raised, this is double-sided foam tape, and you can just put it on there, and it just raises your sticker and it just makes it more interesting. And then we're gonna need some glue, and I personally like the tape runner because I think it's so easy to work with when you're dealing with paper. And lastly, I think you're gonna need a paper trimmer. And this is because you're gonna have to cut all this cardstock to match the squares. And let's see how big these squares are. They are, you're probably gonna need a straight edge or a ruler or something, but so these are exactly 2 by 2s. They're exactly 2 by 2s. So we're gonna start just by cutting down all the cardstock to 2 by 2 squares, and we're gonna just basically adhere them, and then we're gonna cut out these little semicircles and just get started there. And that is gonna take me a while. So I'm probably gonna do some of this off camera because you don't need to see me cut out a bunch of squares. And then I'll be back with the rest.